guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be re-zhuzhing up my mobile personal journaling space, which I created a few years ago, and now I want to update it a bit. So I thought I would share with you this process and this idea to create your own. Now on my channel over the years I have shared a lot of travel journaling kits. Some small, some large, and you can find them all on my channel. But this is different to all of those because it's not about the supplies as those ones are, just having materials on hand that you want. It's least about the supplies. It's actually about creating an environment for yourself and an experience for yourself. And it really comes out of what I like to do, which is create sacred, what I call sacred journaling spaces, which are basically little private nooks where I can do my journaling and really be completely free, completely myself, not worry about other people around me or anything like that. So I'll share with you a couple of my little sacred journaling spaces here for you to have a look at. And that is what we're going to do in miniature form in this video. So this is my mobile journaling space. It is a case that came with some watercolours in it once upon a time, and it's great for using as this because it's slim, it's small, it's light, so it makes it ultra portable. This is a really fun thing to do, so grab your container, whether it be a case or a box of some kind, grab everything you want to go inside it. I'm going to take you through the process of how I do mine, but remember, you put in whatever you want. This is about kind of you creating your own environment. It's nothing to do with what I put in mine. So I hope you will come along with this. First of all, on the case lid, I'm going to create an inspiration wall. This is something I like to do in my creative spaces. You can use magazine images, quotes, postcards, artwork, anything that calls to you. If you can't do it on the inside of your container, then you can always decorate the outside of your box or whatever it is you're using. Next, I'm going to include a couple of my handmade journals. This is a flawed journaling space. Then a couple of basic pens and a pencil. I'm going to add some media in the form of a couple of packs of crayons, one a more pastel-y type crayon and the other one some distress crayons. Then I'm going to add a little packet of collage elements and a glue stick to use those collage elements with, and some washi tape from an art swap that I held on journal workshops where I got some washi tape from some lovely members on my art community. Then I'm going to make this more personal and turn it into a space to create more of an environment and things I usually have in my space, and I am never without my crystals, so I created a little jar of some crystals, then some smelly rose candles, some ambiance, and some hand cream and some lip balm, which I am never without in any room, in any handbag. These things are all about comfort and all about being relaxed and in your element. So once you've created it, this has the potential to transform any space you want. So it could be the kitchen counter or a hotel room or a tree or a canyon, anywhere you want, into your private little journaling space, like a little room of your own. Like Virginia Woolf says, a woman needs a room of one's own to create in. And so you can do that without needing the physical environment of a room. So I love making these spaces. It reminds me of kind of being a child and playing with dolls' houses, or making little tents for yourselves, or little like castles out of cushions, you know, that kind of playfulness. It reminds me of that, and I really enjoy doing this. So I hope you do as well. And if you want something else, another project, it's not the same kind of as this, but it's a step up on this one, then come and join us on the monthly challenge group on my art community, journalworkshops.ning.com. This month, or April the 1st, I'm going to be kind of adding an add-on project onto this,
which is similar to this in that it's about creating something for yourself, but it's so diverse that somebody is going to create a bank account, somebody else might create a music list, somebody else might do an art journal page. It's so diverse, this challenge that I've got in mind for this month's challenge. So come on over to Journal Workshops if you're not already. If you are, or you've joined recently, thank you to everybody who sent me messages saying that you missed me or you haven't heard from me, etc. I haven't been online for the past couple of months due to personal reasons, emotional reasons, medical reasons, all of it. So if you have joined Journal Workshops recently, I know some of you keep emailing me about approval. There is an approval process in there to make sure the community is safe, so just give me a little bit of time to go through all of your memberships, and once I've done that, you'll have full access to the monthly challenge group, which has years of archives of challenge videos and other members' artwork, etc. to go and enjoy, plus a whole load of other groups, plus a whole load of other classes. So please bear with me. If you have previously requested membership, then go and check now, because I would have let you all enter. And if you're not on Journal Workshops, come on in and come and do this monthly challenge on the 1st. Much love, everybody. Have an awesome April. Bye.